Hi guys, this lesson we're going to talk about going up and down stairs. Through vision recognition, TonyPi Pro can recognize different colors. When recognizing the red light on step, TonyPi Pro will go up and down step. Now let's get started. Firstly, open Alex terminal and the command and press enter to come to the directory of game programming. Please note that you must pay attention to case sensitivity and can fill in keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and press enter to start the game. Please note that you'd better start game in a violet and solid color environment. Do not have objects within the vision range that are the same as or similar to red. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.